Let me show you where it should be.
Oh, not here.
So,
Okay, okay.
yeah.
Like I'm gonna say about how technology has been improved since last year when it comes to AI. And like first of all, it's a quick update about the office, because like you can interact with like more models already, and like the spreadsheet you can do like more formulas, right?
Yep.
And on the other hand, like not only using those, but like with the new function called like AI console.
Yeah, AI admin console, yes.
You can do like API integration with different models and a different version, and like not only that, you can do the user permission. I forgot that the name.
Okay. The identification?
No, the second one.
Granular user permission.
Yeah, granular user. And last of all is like the identification.
Sorry, I have some. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start introducing what the AI features are with a quick video. Okay, the quick video is much simpler.
Okay, so like you can tuck in here
Of
as well.
course.
Here is the camera. May I know your name, please?
Yes, my name is Ita.
Huh?
My name is Ita Tsai.
Ita, so E-T...
ITA. Sorry. I don't have a business card today, but this is
okay.
my badge. You can
Ita,
see.
okay, ETA. That's the
ITA.
unique name.
Thank you. Okay, so let me show you first the video. So this is how our AI features will work. First, we have AI documents, which is basically, we have our integrated AI here. We ask them to help us write an outline. It will generate the outline here. Once it's done, we click insert and we have the generated AI, super seamless. We want to elaborate this sentence, so we ask it to quickly elaborate with a quick hotkey. That's done, insert. And then we can even add reference files. Say, for example, you want to reference only this file. Can you answer this question specific to this document? It will take the information within the document and then generate this prompt here. Yeah. And again, we can change the tone, formal or casual, and then we can insert that. So this is what we have for AI documents. Next, we have for spreadsheets and a formula writer. So as you can see, this is a sales tracker sheet, and we want all of the values that are higher than 100 in the price. So we come here and please generate all of the values larger than 100. We get the formula here, click insert, and it automatically will appear here with all of the values higher than 100. Finally, we have slides presentation AI as well. And then basically you click on whatever the purpose of your presentation is. You can also reference a document. And then you say, okay, please develop a business presentation for Synology. You say how many slides you need, and it will generate the outline of what you need. Okay? It will generate the size here, and you've got the layout ready to go for your presentation. And finally, we even have AI for our mail service, Mail Plus. So here you will introduce your prompt, say, hey, can you help me draft a quick email? And you can even use hotkeys to elaborate or refine the text inside your Mail Plus. So here, for example, we want to shorten this. It's a bit too long. No problem. We can replace the selection. And very quickly, we have a very ready-to-go email. You don't have to waste time thinking about how to write that. Next, what's really special about this year? Sorry, I have this everywhere. Oh, here. What's really special is that this year we're introducing the Synology AI console coming later this year. So Synology AI console, the special thing is, as you mentioned before, sorry, what's your name?
Harry.
Harry, nice to meet you. So here we have API integrations, and right now you can choose from 3 different providers: OpenAI, Azure, or even Gemini from Google. Say for example, you want to call, you want to call your AI Andrew AI. Okay, and then you want to use OpenAI. Here you input your API key that OpenAI will give to you. Let's just use our demo version. And then, yep, you can choose from your generative models, ChatGPT 3.5 or ChatGPT 4. And we even have embedding models, which is, we have a large model, which is to help you give a more precise answer. Or we have a small version, which basically gives you more cost-effective per token generations. Finally, you are good and you verify and save. And now we have this Andrew AI. Why do we want to call it Andrew AI? Because this allows you to use different AI for different departments or teams in your business. So we come to permissions. And let's say, for example, I want to enable AI per group. And but for this example, I will say all users, okay? So for all of our users, I want you to only use Andrew AI. And then you can do the same for Mail Plus over here. And this is like the most special thing I think this year for our products is data de-identification. Why this is so important is because all of the information that we send to OpenAI right now is prone to data leaks. If you input sensitive company information inside your prompt, hey, can you summarize this text? And the text contains very sensitive data. ChatGPT or these AI models now have this information. How can we avoid that? Well, very easy. We come here and we choose, first let's choose English, and then we can say, hey, can you please de-identify, or can you hide my credit card number? Can you hide my crypto wallet number? And maybe also hide my email address. I don't want ChatGPT to have that information. So you apply this, it will download this, and in the future, when you send a prompt, it's gonna look like this. Sorry, so this is how it's gonna work. You send it a prompt. Hello, could you please optimize this prompt? Yes. You send it through the NAS. And instead of saying David, our NAS will change it to person. It will not specify the specific name of the person. Similarly with the date, it will mask the date and the email and IP number as well. So now our Synology NAS comes in and they will send the prompt over to the AI, and then the AI will mask this information, refine it, and it will return with the masked information. Once it has this information, it will send it back to your NAS. The NAS will identify it again, so that in the end, you have this prompt with all of your information, but the AI never got your personal information. So this is really important, especially for privacy purposes. Yeah.
Thank you, Rita.
You're very welcome.
I got a few questions.
Yeah.
So first of all, it's like, this is all wonderful. But may I know about estimated go live date for all these functions?
So open beta will happen in November.
Okay.
And global release, we are hoping 2025 Q1.
But like, it to be public for all models.
Yes. At the moment, it will be available for Synology Office Suite. Yes, for all models.
Oh, okay, nice. Second of all, is like, may I know any updates about Synology Drive this year?
Updates for Synology Drive, sure. So let's come back to Synology Drive here. The main things that I will introduce are, let's see, file request. So I don't know if you guys have previously used Synology Drive.
Yeah, already.
Yeah? Okay. So say for example, you create a folder, okay?
Yeah.
And you want this to be your file request folder. So previously when you share files, you can share files internally and you can share files externally. But the main issue that you might have encountered is that external agents that don't have a Synology account, they can't upload documents. So now with file request, you can do that. You come here and you click create file request. Say for example, this is a file request, give me photos. And then here, you can set up different password protections, for example. And for example, you know, you can say 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3 to open the link, and then you want it to expire tomorrow. Okay, so let's set this here, and then you create it. Next, let's copy this link and see how it would look like to the external agents. Give me photo, and then you say, okay, here you have my special files. I don't know if I have one here. A meeting agenda, here you go. Let's upload this. And then you have to write your name. Okay? And then you upload files. Is it not Andrew? Did I get it wrong?
Harry.
Harry! I don't know where I got Andrew from. Okay, Harry. And
It's
then,
okay, it's all good, it's all good.
and then you basically have this now. Let's go back to Synology Drive. Let's check it here. Andrew's
Wonderful,
file.
yeah. So like this function is like the same like file station before.
It's similar to file station. Which one?
Because like earlier Synology had the file station and still had the request link already. Or like this time the same concept with that. Okay,
It's
nice.
the same concept, except this time people can put in files from outside.
Yeah. May I know about it? So like this one already go live, or
This one will go live later this year. Yeah,
Later
it's
this
in
year.
the work. Yeah.
okay. Please share with me more about the share label,
Share
please.
labels? Okay,
Yeah.
so again, if you previously have used labels, basically when you have your own drive, you can apply labels to your documents that you're going to use often. But what's new this year is that we have shared labels. Okay, so shared labels are basically labels that you can apply with a team. If you're going to be working with your team for a long time, let's say you are going to release a campaign and you have your marketing team together, you want to have a shared label for all of your team so that whenever you click it, immediately you have all of the files that you're going to be using very often during a period of time. So say for example, Computex 2024, we're going to be using this, me and my marketing team, for example, we're going to use this very often. And then we come in here, and then we, when you click the Computex 2024 file here, you will see all of this. What's really good is, say for example, I'm in marketing folder, right?
Okay.
And I want to give one of these a shared label. I just come here and I drag and apply the label, and now Computex 2024 folder will be right here, and it appears here. So that's really helpful when you want to co-work with your teams.
Yes. Really helpful because like me and my team really need it. Another thing is like, may you show me the OCR?
OCR. Yes. Do you have a business card maybe?
Yeah, I do. I gotta have it, right?
Feature. You come here and you click on Scan Document, click Photos. Do you want to hold it?
Yeah, sure, man.
So we come here.
Yeah.
It's looking at the other one. Okay, let's look at your. There you go.
Click.
I identify.
Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, that's it.
It's okay. We just adjust the corner here.
Yeah.
And then we keep the scan. And then we save this. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we can turn this on, which is allow the text to be searched.
Wow,
I'll show you how
okay.
it can be done. Let me see what folder we can put it in. I think it's team folder, maybe it's sales. And then we select this one. Okay, we're uploading the PDF of your business card. Now next, we can come here. Nope. Well, technically it should appear here. Just give me a moment.
Okay, cool.
Search. Oh, search team folders. Hold on. Maybe I can do files here.
Yeah.
Ayo, the autofill.
Okay, you can search. Yeah.
There you go. The file, I named it Harry.
Yeah.
I didn't write Tule,
So it
but
gets the ability to read the content.
it has the ability to read the content, and you can even search it in the search bar. So that's really helpful. Yeah, and then
I have been hearing like this already go live already. Where? Oh.
yes. So right now we have this feature exclusively for iOS, but if there's a lot of demand also for Android, then this will be coming later in the year as well.
Yeah.
Just leave us your feedback, and then we'll know.
So like, is there any limit on like which version of iOS or like hardware? Like
Right now it's iPhone 13 upwards for
13
iOS.
up.
iPhone
Okay.
13 upwards, yes.
Okay, but like I'm using Samsung, so like.
Yes, so if you really like this feature, you send in a feedback request to our team, and they'll be like, okay, we will develop this for Android as well, and then we'll be no problem.
Definitely gonna do it. Thank you, Vita.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful.